Can't you see the need should be? She's so beautiful, intelligent, she is complete. She's the real top, you'll find your home with her. She makes sure everything is right, you can't go wrong with her. Hit her pink ribbon and stitches if you want some new hair. She'll get you pampered by a Christian if your kids need repair. The need should be, she's a queen and sweet. She'll put a roof over your head, she provide for every need. You can't live without her. You can't live without her. You can't live without her. They can't compete if they try. The need should be the perfect time.
What up, gang? Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you guys for tapping in. But if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, okay? Because you will regret it. Today I am doing a high-end haul. This is personally what I call a high-end haul. We got Supreme, we got Coach, we got Louis Vuitton, we got Gucci, and we have some more stuff. RSVP, that's what we got. Okay, guys, so we're gonna start off with the first box here. We have a Coach item. Chris already pre-cut it for me, so make sure y'all go check out his social media and follow him. So I'm gonna move this out the way so that y'all can see a little bit with what's going on here. So these is the shoes right here. I actually seen them a couple of times when I had when I was on Facebook, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna get these shoes. Here they go, y'all. I love how this is shepherd up here at the top, guys. And of course, it's my favorite color, pink. Look around, my room is literally pink. So I love how it's the cosigns at the bottom or whatever, but it's very pretty. And then you got the cosign here. Let's try it on. Let's see how it look on feet. Like I said, I never had Coach shoes before either, literally. Okay, guys, so this is how the shoe looks on feet. It's very, very pretty. It's very comfortable. It's not heavy at all. You have adjustable straps here so you can make it tighter if it's too loose on your foot. I'm loving it. I can't wait. I don't know if I'm going to make this a house shoe or I'm going to make this an outside shoe. So these are the Coach shoes here. Make sure you go cop you some. Okay, so the next item that we have, guys, is another Coach item. I have this Coach jacket here. I'm loving how it got the sleeves on it. It's very pretty. It's not doing too much. It's a denim jacket. The next item we have is a Supreme button-up, guys. Look at this. We got the distressed Supreme logo in the back. Full body. Buttons on the back of the collar for details. We got the Supreme. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. If you guys want to see me when I actually like put everything together with my clothes, just check out my Instagram, TikTok, whatever. I'll be on there, and I'm always, you know, post. You know, I got hella swag, so yeah. I love how the sleeves is long, so that add more to the details. I'm loving it. The next item we have is another Supreme shirt. Got the Joker on the front of it.
No, it doesn't.
Who is this?
It's not the Joker, baby.
The Crew.
It's Crow.
Crow.
It's a brand.
Okay. I guess this is a collaboration item.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Look at me. Choose a nice hat. I'm so in love with this hat, y'all. Like, words don't even describe it. How much I love this hat. Look at this. This is a Needles hat. It gives me that making my way downtown, walking fast, and out now. Dun, 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 dun. But here y'all go. Bam. It's cute. I can see myself in it. Picture's gonna go crazy, okay? So we got another item. Gucci, my fave. It's really not though. I don't even like Gucci like that, but I'm getting ready for my winter, and I buy what I like. So my eye caught these boots, so I had to get them. Had to get them. Look at this. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Stop playing with me. Look at that, y'all. This boot is literally everything. Look at that. And I love that it's not screaming Gucci. Like, it's so pretty. It's so simple. Because you see me walk up like, boom, boom. What is that? Them double G's? Yes, they is. Yes, they is. What do you mean? Yes, they is. Yes, they is. Okay. Next item. Okay, guys, so we have saved the best item for last, to my personal decision, of course. This is the Louis Vuitton and the Fornacity collaboration. It is the Roman coin currency collaboration that Louis Vuitton did. At the bottom of this jacket, it is gold plated, and then we got the monogram lock and key Louis Vuitton. This coat is so dope, guys. Extremely dope. I love it. So, of course, we're going to put it on. And it's a limited edition, if I ain't said it already before. It's not about me. It's about the Louis right now. I just love the way it flows, even with my hair, because some jackets, your hair will be all caught up on the jacket, but it's not like that with this one. Oh, wait, them goose feathers gonna keep you warm. Just know that. Okay. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in with this video. I appreciate that a lot, guys. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you follow me on all social media platforms, and I'm up out of here.
Can't you see, Denesha B? She's so beautiful, intelligent, she is complete. She's the real top, you'll find your home with her. She makes sure everything is right, you can't go wrong with her. Hit her pink ribbon extensions if you want some new hair. She'll get you pampered by a Christian if your kids need.
So fan
Start off already.
been doing it already.
You just started it?
Did it a minute ago.
What? So we're gonna start off with the Coach box.
What?
My kids is being rude.
Alright.
Walk her to the door, babe. Just stay tuned.